Tired of crypto volatility and ready to cash out? Transak makes selling your crypto for fiat super simple, so let's dive right in. First, head over to the Transak website. You'll see a prominent sell button right there. Give it a click. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell from the drop-down menu. Transak supports a wide range of popular coins. Next, choose the fiat currency you want to receive in your bank account. Enter the amount of crypto you wish to sell, and Transak will automatically calculate the equivalent amount in your chosen fiat currency based on the current exchange rate. You'll need to complete a quick KYC Know Your Customer process to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to protect both you and the platform. Finally, enter your bank account details where you'd like to receive the funds. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Review the transaction details one last time, confirm, and that's it. Your crypto will be sold, and the funds will be deposited into your bank account within the estimated time frame. Now, you've successfully sold crypto through Transak.